Lesson 4. Working of a Computer. Chapter Outline. IPOS Cycle. Hardware and Software. Units of CPU. Sukaba, tell me one thing. Yes, Hiro, ask me. You can do maths. You have information about everything. Do you treat every question alike? No. Hiro, my brain is also divided into different parts, each part doing a special function. Let me tell you in proper order. First, you need to understand about hardware and software. IPOS cycle. A computer system has 4 major functions. 1. Input. A computer accepts data. This function is called input. 2. Processing. A computer processes data. This function is called processing. 3. Output. A computer shows results. This function is called output. 4. Storage. A computer stores the result of processing. This function is called storage. Hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware is the physical part of the computer. Computer hardware includes the following. Input devices, such as a keyboard and a mouse that allow the user to input data and instructions. The central processing unit, CPU, that carries out program instructions. Output devices, such as printers, monitors, and speakers that enable the computer to present information to the user. Smart Connect. There are also buses in a computer. Buses are cables or wires that connect all computer hardware. Software. Software is the app or instruction that tells the computer what to do. A program is designed to perform a particular type of task, for example, to write a letter, to display and modify a photograph, or to control the operation of the computer. Programs run the hardware and tell it how to change input into the required output. Software can be of 2 types, system software or application software. System software controls and coordinates the computer hardware. Application software is designed to do a specific task. System software. Programs that act as intermediates between the hardware and the application software are called system software. System software programs help the hardware components to work together and provide support for application programs. System software includes operating systems, utility programs, and many more. The most important system software in a computer is the operating system. When a computer is turned on, it searches for instructions in its memory. These instructions tell the computer how to start up. The operating system provides these instructions. Operating system makes the computer work by managing other programs and devices. The given diagram shows an operating system managing a printer, a mouse, an application, a disk drive, a monitor, and a keyboard. Application software. The software that is applied to solve a particular problem or to perform a particular task is called application software. A wide variety of application software is available for different tasks: writing, preparing accounts, drawing graphics, making presentations, databases, playing games, and many more. All the following are examples of application software. Word processing software like WordPad and Word. Graphics software like Paint and Photoshop. Spreadsheet software like Excel. Presentation software like PowerPoint. Smart Connect. A computer virus is a mischievous program that disturbs the normal working of your computer. Units of the CPU. The CPU has two parts: control unit and arithmetic or logic unit. The control unit coordinates and times all the other parts of the computer system. It also oversees the operations of the input and output devices. The arithmetic or logic unit does the actual processing. It carries out mathematical operations and logical operations. Mathematical operations are the calculations done on numerical data like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical operations involve making decisions like is 89 is equal to 89 or is 89 greater than 90. The control unit and arithmetic or logic unit are mounted on a single chip called a microprocessor chip. Microprocessor chip is a single piece of silicon containing millions of tiny electrical components. This is used in most of the computers. Many companies like Intel and Motorola produce processors. The microprocessor also has a memory unit. The memory unit is where the CPU keeps the data and instructions being used during processing. This is like a scrap of paper you use to jot down a telephone number to call and then discard.